At NAMCO Machine and Gear Works, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Driven by the energy of our staff members and backstopped by state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment, there are no projects that NAMCO is not equipped to undertake. Here at NAMCO, both onboard and final inspection routines are used to assure exceptional quality. Our climate-controlled state-of-the-art inspection department provides the perfect environment for quality assurance. From our Lights coordinate measuring machine and our Gleason GMS 475 gear checker to other various inspection tools, NAMCO's quality control department provides the equipment, skill, and processes needed to inspect parts to specifications. NAMCO is certified to API Spec Q1 and ISO 9001. We offer a full complement of precision micrometers, surface plates, calipers, digital height indicators, micrometer standards, and various gauges. These, along with other measuring systems, help our inspectors determine the quality of work done. This is just another way NAMCO works to exceed our clients' expectations.